Good morning, dear students. From today itself, we can discuss our anatomy topics. So, in that, first we can discuss regarding renal system. So, renal system means it is related to our excretory system. So, in that, first we can discuss regarding anatomy of kidney. So, in Latin language, ren means kidney, and in Greek language, nephros means kidney. So, this both Latin and Greek words are related to kidney. So, as we are saying kidney, it is related to renal. That word is related to renal. So, renal is always associated with this kidney. So, for us as representing that word renal, it is derived from the word ren, and the nephrons are derived from the word nephros. So both of these words are derived from Latin and Greek words respectively. Okay. And the kidneys are two bean-shaped reddish brown organs within the abdomen situated on the posterior abdominal wall. So the kidneys are paired organs. So there are left kidney and right kidney, and their shape is bean-shaped, and color is reddish brown, and they are located in our abdominal cavity on the posterior abdominal wall. Then what are the functions of the kidney? So as you already know that the kidneys are the major excretory organ in our body, and its important function is to excrete the waste products that is generated due to the protein metabolism within the body, and it can also excrete the excessive water and electrolyte salts from the body. Thus it can maintain the fluid electrolyte balance, which is essential for the survival of each and every organism. So the main function of the kidney is the excretory function. The location, as we already discussed, the kidneys lies on the posterior abdominal wall on each side of the vertebral column. So each of the kidney, that is right kidney and left kidneys, are located on either side of the vertebral column, and they can be seen just opposite to our peritoneum, opposite to 12th thoracic and upper 3rd lumbar vertebrae. So in this picture you can it is clear that the both kidneys are located on either side of the vertebral column, and it is seen on posterior, just behind of the peritoneum, and opposite to the T12 to L3 vertebrae. Both of the kidneys are located just opposite to the T12 to L3 vertebrae. Then other information is related to the location. Both of the kidney occupies epigastric, hypochondria, lumbar and umbilical region. Then right kidney lies at slightly lower level than the left one due to the presence of liver on the right side. So this is the right kidney, which lies just lower level than the left kidney. So both of these kidneys are lies not in the same level. The right kidney always lies just lower level than the left kidney. It is due to the presence of liver on the right side. So here the liver is present. So due to the presence of this liver, this right kidney lies just lower level than the left kidney. Then the left kidney is a little nearer to the median plane than the right. So left kidney lies just nearer to our median plane than the right kidney, and the long axis of both kidneys are slightly oblique. The long axis of both of the kidneys are slightly oblique. So due to these characteristics, the upper pole of both kidneys are lying nearer than the lower poles. Okay, this is the lower poles, and the lower poles lies far away than the upper poles. That means the upper poles lie more nearer than the lower poles. So it is only because of the long axis of both kidneys are lying obliquely, which directed downward and laterally. Then both kidneys move downward in vertical direction for 2.5 cm during respiration. So during respiration process and all, this right and left kidney moves vertically downward. Vertical downward means 2.5 cm vertically downward. The respiration ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് രണ്ട് കിഡ്നി, ലെഫ്റ്റ് കിഡ്നി റൈറ്റ് കിഡ്നി 2.5 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ വെർട്ടിക്കലായിട്ട് മൂവ് ചെയ്യും താഴേക്ക്. Then the hilum are 5 cm away from the midline and the lower poles are 7.5 cm away from the midline. So in this picture it is a hilum, the area through which the blood vessels enters into the kidney, that is a hilum, and this hilum is 5 cm away from our midline of the body, and the lower poles of the kidneys are 7.5 cm away from the midline of our body. Then regarding shape and measurement of kidney, shape is, as we have already discussed, bean shape. Then measurement, length is 11 cm and width is 6 cm, but the left kidney is slightly longer and narrower than the right kidney. Okay, and its thickness of each kidney is 3 cm, but weight of kidney in both males and females are different. In males it is about 150 gram, but in females each kidney measures 135 gram. Then coming to external features of the kidney. So each of the kidneys having the following characteristics. First one, two poles. Each of the kidneys having two poles, that is superior and inferior pole, that is upper pole and lower pole. Then two surfaces are there, which is anterior surface and posterior surface. Then two borders are there, medial border and lateral border, and a hilum is there. So these all are the main external features of each kidney. So we can see each external feature in detail. So first is regarding poles of the kidney. So as we already said, there are two poles, superior pole and inferior pole. Superior pole is otherwise known as upper pole and inferior pole is otherwise known as lower pole. The superior pole is thick and rounded, okay, but the inferior pole is thin and pointed, just opposite to the superior pole, and their pole lies nearer to the median plane than the inferior pole. So the superior pole is just nearer to the median plane than the inferior pole, and it is related to the suprarenal glands. The superior pole of each kidney, that is the upper pole of each kidney, is related to the suprarenal gland or adrenal gland. The kidneys in the രണ്ട് കിഡ്നിയുടെ അപ്പർ പോളിലായിട്ട് adrenal glands presented ആണ്. But regarding the inferior pole, it is just opposite to the superior pole. It is thin and pointed and it lies 2.5 cm just above the iliac crest. Then surfaces. Next we can see the surfaces. It having two surfaces. Each of the kidneys having two surfaces, anterior surface and posterior surface. Anterior surface means the total outer surface which is convex in shape and that faces anterolaterally. It is facing anteriorly and laterally. So the convex face, which is the anterior surface, that face anteriorly and laterally. The posterior surface, surface means the back surface of the kidney, which faces posteriorly and medially, that is posteromedially. So its shape is flat, okay. So the anterior surface is convex in shape and posterior surface is flat in shape. Then borders. So each of the kidneys having two borders, a medial border and a lateral border. Medial border means, so in this picture it is saying this is a medial border and this is the lateral border. So in the medial border, nearer to the upper pole and lower pole of the kidney, the shape of the medial border is convex, isn't it? Nearer to the upper and lower pole, but on the middle portion it is concave. So I am explaining here regarding the medial borders. So the middle part of the medial border is concave in structure, but the nearer to the upper and lower pole of each kidney, the medial border is convex in structure, but each of the lateral border is convex, okay.